to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about types of virtual data rooms for mergers and acquisitions. Let's go. Intro. VDRs are secure online repositories for storing and sharing confidential documents. They are widely used in a variety of industries, including finance, legal, and healthcare. VDRs can be used for a variety of purposes, such as M&A, fundraising, and regulatory compliance. In M&A transactions, VDRs are used to share confidential documents with potential buyers. This allows buyers to conduct the due diligence on the target company. Types of VDR for M&A. Traditional VDR. Traditional VDR are designed for high-stake transactions such as M&A and IPOs. They offer a wide range of features and functionality, including robust security features, advanced user management capabilities, and detailed audit trails. Modern VDRs. Modern VDRs are designed to be more affordable and user-friendly than traditional VDRs. They are typically offer a subset of the features and functionality of traditional VDRs, but they are still very secure and reliable. Modern VDRs are a good option for businesses that need a VDR for low-stakes transactions such as fundraising or regulatory compliance. Industry-specific VDRs. Industry-specific VDRs are designed for specific industries such as finance. They offer features and functionality that are tailored to the needs of the specific industry. Industry-specific VDRs can be a good option for businesses that need a VDR that is optimized for their specific needs. Cloud-based VDRs. Cloud-based VDRs are hosted in the cloud, which means that they can be accessed from anywhere with an internet connection. Cloud-based VDRs are a good option for businesses that need a VDR that is easy to deploy and manage. On-premises VDR. On-premises VDRs are hosted on the business's own server. On-premises VDRs are a good option for businesses that need a VDR that offers the highest level of security and control. Choosing the right VDR for M&A. Security. M&A transactions involve a lot of sensitive data, so it is important to choose a VDR that offers a high level of security. Features. Consider the features that are important for you. Example, if you need a VDR that offers document management, user management, and reporting, then you'll need to choose a VDR that offers these features. Scalability. M&A transactions can involve a large number of documents, so it is important to choose a VDR that is scalable. Ease of use. Consider how easy the VDR is to use. You need to choose a VDR that is easy for both internal and external users to use. Pricing. Comparing the pricing of different VDR providers. Here are some additional tips for choosing the right VDR for M&A transaction. Read reviews of different providers before making a decision. Ask for a free trial of the VDR before you commit to a paid subscription. Make sure that the VDR you choose is easy to use for both internal and external users. Train your employees on how to use the VDR properly. Monitor the VDR regularly to ensure that it's being used properly and that your data is secure. That's all for today. I hope you have understand the topic. Thank you so much everyone for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye.